so now we've got the final photos ready from 3 different sellers that I purchased from, and I am so stoked to start going through it. I already went through different Fiverr videographers, which if you haven't seen that video yet, check out that video here or wherever it is above, also in the description below. But that one was hiring different Fiverr videographers for different video ads that I am now running for my e-commerce store. So stay tuned to see how those video ads are performing. But now I have actually purchased some product photos as well. So sent the books off, got those back, and I am super stoked to see how it looks and how I can hopefully start using them on my website and social media. I'm really excited to see how it turned out. So let's get back into it. Okay, so the first photographer is Nikki Sky, and it was $130 for 6 photos. So let's see. So right off the bat, I can tell that there are way more than 6 photos, which is pretty cool. So let's just get started. I tried to find people that were a mix of both. This is 2 daughters. Oh my gosh, she is so cute. I love that the little girl is reading. Oh my gosh. And then the big sister reading to the little girl, super cute. Super cute. And because they're vertical, these will look great on social media. Love the over the shoulder shot of the little girl reading. This one you can't really see the book as well, but I like the girl still reading and she looks involved. I'd say the photos maybe are a little bit bright. Something's a little, maybe they're coming off a little bit like gray, bright, whitish, instead of as super colorful, but I love the photo. See, that looks like genuine, like she's reading it herself. Oh my gosh. So cute. Super, super cute. Okay, $130, way more than 6 pictures. Really recommend. That's great. We'll definitely use again. I think these will look really great on social media. Maybe I can't use them as much on my website unless it's a little bit more of a close-up of reading the book, so you can kind of see like, okay, it's the book that's being sold. But really happy with the photos. Super cute little girls reading the books, so really like it. Okay, next one. Okay, so I hired this person to do a video and also to do photos as well. So let's look at the photos that were sent over. So this was for 8 pictures. I can also tell that there are more than 8 pictures here as well, so that's pretty cool. So let's get started. Okay, so this is a flat lay image. Interesting. I'd said more lifestyle, so interesting photo here, but I guess good initiative. Cute. Mom and daughter in the kitchen. I like the daughter's facial expressions. That seems very genuine, because kids are goofy. Cute. I hope we have a few more that are not all in the kitchen, because I don't want it to come off like it's a cookbook, because I think that would be confusing. Let's see, super cute though. Nice, okay, we've got one in the bedroom or the kids' room of holding the books. Cute. Oh, and back to the kitchen. That's a really great photo. Okay, so now we have some in an apron. Again, nice initiative. I think it does look a little bit more cookbook though, which I would say is the main worry with these photos, but this is a really cute photo. I could totally use this photo for social media or for the website. So I wish honestly that there was more like that. I did specify and say I would like more in a kids room or nursery and not in the kitchen. I did recommend that as an idea, but I didn't think it was gonna be all of that. So that kind of stinks a little bit, but I definitely like this image here. I would say that that's definitely my favorite. $280 for 8 pictures. I don't know. I feel like I could maybe use like 2 or 3. The 2 or 3 that I can use are really nice though, but I wish that we had maybe had a lot less in the kitchen. But okay, we still have 1 left, and this was the highest one on the list, or the most pricey, I should say. So $350, 5 pictures. I got 6. Ooh, I can tell that these are already good. Okay, let's click in. This is from AMZ Story Image. Wow, that's a super cute photo. I love this. Okay, so the daughter, the son, and it's clearly a kid's room. There's toys around, like it looks like they were probably just reading when they were playing. Love that, super cute. And both books. Wow, nice. Okay, so I had asked for this one. They had different packages, but I had asked for a mix of the daughter and the son and also the mom and the dad, just to give me a little bit more variety. I could totally use this photo across the board for ads, website, social media. I love that you can see that they're reading, smiling. You can see the book cover super nice. Like, wow, this is a really good image. Wow, okay, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna have to compose myself and stop just saying wow, because I need more constructive feedback to give. This is exactly what I was looking for. So smiling image, you know, you can see the cover, front, back. Wow, this is really, really pretty. And this looks genuine, like you could just be in the home reading like this, a mom and a son. Really, really love this. And I love how the books are really like the focus, which is great for especially doing for, you know, an e-commerce store. Another cute one of them together. Love the group shot. Definitely use that. Whoa. Okay. That took my breath away a little bit. I am not gonna lie. This was exactly what I was thinking of at first. Again, like, you know, father, daughter, like I could use this for like Father's Day. Yeah, this is gonna look great on the site, for ads. Like, wow, okay. Definitely hiring them again. Wow, okay, and one more. Dude, they're killing it. Nice over the shoulder shot, and you can see that they're still reading and they're still in focus. Wow. Okay, I've got to use other words other than wow. Super, super pleased with this, especially like you can still see like the G, the H, like you can see like the inside of the book still while still seeing their engagement. Like that is a great image. Again, like we're in a kid's room, you can see toys, like it just feels so natural. And the colors are all great. Yeah. Wow, okay, yeah. Super, super pleased. Cannot wait to go and throw these images on my site and start running some ads with these because I feel it. These are gonna convert so well. And I am so, $350, steal. Images are going to pay for themselves so quickly because these are gonna convert so well. I can just feel it. I really can. These are really well done photos, and I will definitely use them for any other products or books that I put out there because this is legit. Thanks so much, Fiverr. Super cool. Really excited with how these turned out. If you can't tell, I should have probably put a wow counter up if I haven't put one on this video. Like, come on. But yeah, I am really pleased with how these have turned out, and I can't wait to start running some ads with them. So if you want to see how these photos actually perform now in ads and which one converts best, make sure to hit that subscribe button below because that'll be a future video coming out on this channel. And if you haven't yet watched where I hire different videographers from Fiverr, then check out this video over here and you can see the different video ads that I'm going to be running as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I would love to hear which photos and different photographer was your favorite, so make sure to comment below.